Okay, in this video, we're going to look at the add your own word feature. We're going to go into Spanish to do this. Now we're in the list, we can say, oh, we want to learn the word sand in Spanish. So we search for it, and it's not there. So we can clear that, and we get back to this word list. But it might be that we're in the classroom, or we're using the internet, or we've got a dictionary, and we're going to use the app as an aid, as a study aid, to help us store that word better in our memory. Rather than just reading it and repeating it to ourselves, hoping for the best, we're going to use the drawn from memory method to store this new word in the app that we want to learn, and then use the technique to help us remember this word. So we press the plus icon in the top right. We're going to have the add word sheet pop up. Now the first one is the native word. Now that for us is sand, because we're English, and the translation for sand into Spanish is arena. So it is spelt like this. Now it looks like arena, but the pronunciation of it, if we were going to break it down, would look probably something like this: arena. Okay? Now, can we think of a good prompt that we could use to help us creatively, visually, in a fun way, remember the translation for sand into Spanish, to help us remember that it's arena? So I think a good idea would to be have an arena full of sand. And I think that's a fun, simple, easy way to do it. So we press save, and now if we type in sand, we can see it's got this little blue dot that helps us identify that we added that word and that it appears on the list. If we don't want it there anymore, we just slide across, we press delete, and it will go away. But what we can do is we can click into it and we go, oh great, so I want to learn the word sand in Spanish, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly draw like an arena, I don't know, like a big stadium maybe, and it looks something like this. I don't know, there's loads of little windows on the side, maybe there's loads of people, okay, and on the inside maybe we've just got like a bunch of sand, and it's like overflowing over the edges and it's going everywhere, right? And that's how we can creatively start to use the drawn from memory method to learn any words that we want to. Enjoy being creative.